Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about chromosomal abbreviation. So, chromosomal abbreviations is how to form the chromosomal abbreviations, means what are the different types of chromosomal abbreviations. Now we discuss. So, chromosomal abbreviations arise due to absence or excess or abnormal arrangement of chromosomes. So, absence or excess or abnormal arrangement abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. One or more chromosomes. So chromosomal abbreviations is form depends upon the chromosomes, means absence of chromosomes or excess amount of chromosomes or abnormal arrangement of chromosomes. It leads to them different types of abbreviations are there. Different types of diseases also occur in our body is known as the chromosomal abbreviations. So the chromosomal abbreviations is called as the numerical and structural change in the chromosome. Simply, it is defined as it is also known as, it is called the numerical and structural changes in the chromosome. Structural changes in the chromosomes is known as the chromosomal abbreviations. So chromosomal abbreviations is the first one is the numerical changes chromosomes. So what are the numerical changes chromosomes? So for number one is the numerical changes. Numerical changes means number of chromosomes changes. So for number one is aneuploidy. So aneuploidy means addition or deletion, means addition or deletion of one or more chromosomes. Addition or deletion of one or more chromosomes. So, but never entire set of diploid complement. So, it is the addition deletion of the one or more chromosomes is known as a aneuploid. And the next one, aneuploid means, is the example is a 2n plus m, where m is equal to 1. M is equal to 1 chromosomes. So this is the set of chromosomes. So here aneuploid example is number 1 in aneuploidy. Number 1 is a monosomy. Monosomy means 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. So 2n minus monosomy means 2n minus 1. Here loss of minus 1 means loss of one chromosome. Simply loss of one single chromosome from the diploid complement. This is a diploid. 2n means diploid. From the diploid complement. From the diploid complement is known as the monosomy. So here the monosomy, it is a form. It is a monosomic effect is a non-viable. And the next one here, it is a Turner syndrome in human is results of monosomy for the X chromosomes. So here Turner syndrome, it is a monosomy occur in our body. Which syndrome? Turner syndrome. Turner's syndrome. Turner syndrome in human results is a monosomy for X chromosomes only. Monosomy for X chromosomes only. This individual is a steroid female lacking the bare bodies. So Turner syndrome, the Turner syndrome, it contains how many chromosomes total in our body? 46 chromosomes. In minus 1 means 45 chromosomes are presented in our body is known as a Turner syndrome. The Turner syndrome occur with the monosomy. And the next one, B, is the nullisomy. 2n minus 2. Here 2 chromosomes are eliminated, means loss of a pair of chromosomes, a pair of chromosomes, loss of a pair of chromosomes. So nullisomy, it is it is observed in our body. So it is a Drosophila. It is observed in the Drosophila. Observed in the Drosophila for fourth chromosome. For fourth chromosome, and never found in the human. This is not found in the human. It is observed in the Drosophila only. It is the fourth chromosome, is the nullisomy. And the next one, double monosomy. So double monosomy. So double monosomy means simply formula is a 2n minus 1 minus 1. So 2 times is a single chromosomes are eliminated from our body. So loss of one or two chromosomes, from the diploid complement. From the diploid complement, from the diploid complement. So this one is these two chromosomes are eliminated from the different chromosomes, from the different homologous chromosome, from the different chromosomes. So it is in the nullisomy. Here nullisomy eliminated the here elimination of the two chromosomes at a time, pair of chromosomes. So monosomy, it elimination the only one chromosome. So here also elimination the one chromosome and one more chromosome, two chromosomes are eliminated from the different areas of the chromosomes, is known as the double monosomy. So the double monosomy, it is occurred in our human body, identified in the human, and as well as the others also identified in the human and others also. So here chromosomes are the different types of chromosomes are identified in our body. What are they? Like different types of diseases are occurred in our body with this particular double monosomy. So the double monosomy, number of chromosomes in the double monosomy, nullisomy are numerically equal. So double monosomy and nullisomy both are the equal. So this is about the monosomy, and this classification under the aneuploid. So the next one is the hyperaneuploidy. Hyperaneuploidy. So hyperaneuploidy means 2n plus m. There is a simple formula 2n plus m. So here addition of the one or more chromosomes. So it's simply addition of one or more chromosomes to the diploid is known as the hyperaneuploidy. So hyperaneuploidy, number one is trisomy. Trisomy means 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1. So addition of the one chromosome, simply addition of one chromosome to the diploid complement. So the it leads to the different types of diseases. What are there? Number one is the Down syndrome. Down syndrome is the 47 chromosomes are there in our body. And the next one, Edward syndrome. Here also 47 chromosomes are presented. So 47 chromosomes means here 21 chromosome is a double in our body, and here 30th chromosomes are the double in our body. So he is known as Down syndrome. It is Edward syndrome for the hyperaneuploidy. And the next one, this is about the trisomy. And the next one is B is the tetrasomy. Tetrasomy means simply 2n plus 2. Here 2n plus 1, here 2n plus 2. So here addition of the one pair of chromosomes, to the diploid to the diploid is known as the tetrasomy. So tetrasomy is not found in the human. This is the not found in the humans. So some possible tetrasomic sex chromosomes are there in our body, like 48 chromosomes are presented in our body. 48 chromosomes are presented in our body. Actually, in human being, it contains just 46 chromosomes, but addition 2 chromosomes are here. Example is Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome. The Klinefelter syndrome, it contains the 48 chromosomes. So this is about the tetrasomy. This is about the tetrasomy. So the next one is aneuploidy, hyperneuploidy. These are the chromosomes examples and chromosomal abbreviations. So if you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you.